Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to carve a pumpkin. First, you're going to want a pumpkin carving kit, like this one. It's got a scooper and a scraper. But before you start carving, you're going to want to get the gunk out of the middle. You should carve a circle at the top, like this one, so that you can reach in and scrape out all the bad stuff. And you're going to want to carve that top at an angle, like this, so that when you put it down, it doesn't just fall straight through. It can sit on top like this. When I'm carving the pumpkin, this is a trick I use. I take a towel like this, you're gonna wet it, and you're gonna put it in like a circle so that you can prop up the pumpkin on it. Let's get started. You can pry it off. Look at that, you got all these like strings here, and you're gonna want to cut these off. Let's do this on the table here. Got most of it off there. You can see all this string. We're gonna want to get rid of it first. And this scoop, it has serrated edges, teeth, that can help saw off the string from the pumpkin. Wow, look at that. When you're carving your pumpkin, you're gonna wanna get some nice pair of eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Here I have some teeth on this mouth. For the eyes, I got some nice triangles, and same with the nose. But for this pumpkin, we're gonna do it a little bit special. We're gonna make a cat. So we're gonna get some nice triangle eyes like this, and I'm gonna do an upside down triangle for the nose. I think it looks more cat-like. And then mouth the same. But we're gonna use the eyes, the parts that come out from here, as ears to make it look more like a cat. And that should be our mouth here. Whoa, look at that. I have a wet towel here because it gets off the marker better. And poof, marker is no more. You might be wondering how I'm gonna attach my ears. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna use toothpicks. I'm gonna put 2 on each to help it stay in. Let's put in our ears. 1 ear in. And there is our pumpkin. Look at that. Nice cat ears, eyes, nose, mouth. There you go. We did it. Now, to make it a little bit more spooky, let's add some lights. Ooh, spooky. I hope you enjoyed learning how to carve a pumpkin. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time. Woo!